Hey, welcome back. This week we are looking at another brand new Canva app. I'm going to dive straight in because this is an awesome one. I think you're really going to enjoy. And please, I would love to see what you create with this one. This is really so much fun. So please come over to Facebook. Search for Create on Canva. I have a Facebook group of over 4,000 business owners, really supportive, lots of tutorials, tips, and templates. Come over, say hi, join the group, and share your designs with us. I would love to see them. But for now, let's head over to my desktop and I'm going to show you how this one works. Right, so the next app in our series is called Speed Painter. Speed Painter. I am going to go over to the app section and I'm going to type in Speed Painter into the search bar. This is a great search bar for anything like this. There are two. There's Speed Painter and Speed Paint. Try them, try both of them and see which one works for you. First of all, I'm going to have a look at Speed Painter, turn images into drawing animations. Again, both using an existing design or using a new design. I'm always going for a new design to show you how this works. And I'm going to click Instagram post. You can do this as well. It will just help you get used to how to use these features, have a play. But again, with Canva, have a play is my main big point. Because if it goes wrong, if it looks rubbish, if it's not worked at all, delete it and try again. Nobody ever has to see what you have created if it is not right. You can only share the awesome stuff. Right, so Speed Painter, it just gives you the option to upload a image. I'm going to click Choose File. And let's see what we can do with this Speed Painter option. I've got loads of different AI generated images that I've been putting together for my membership. So I'm going to pick one of these and let's see what it can do. I've got a couple here I think it might work well with. Let's try this one. This is more of a icony style um, graphic rather than an actual image. So I've added the image in and it's now given me a few options. So sketch duration, how long should it take to sketch this particular image? I'm going to go for 5 seconds. I think 10's probably a bit long, 3's probably too short. We'll try 5 and see how it goes. That's the sketch part. Now it will color fill, okay? So again, we'll go for 5 seconds. So 5 seconds to draw it, 5 seconds to fill the color. It's a 10-second video in all. You can also choose not to have the color fill, but I quite like the color because it's a color image. Add sketching hand effect. You don't have to have a hand if you don't want to. But I think it looks really cool to actually have a hand look like it's drawing your graphic or image. Now I'm going to click generate and let's wait for Canva to generate our fun 10-second hand-drawn video. If it takes a while for this to happen, you can always close it and come back to it later. It can take a little while to generate this video for you. It does say here, feel free to close the app and return later to see the result. So it will just appear in your projects section in Canva as a template, as a video, and then you can go and watch it at a later date. But we're going to wait. Fingers crossed, this is going to work soon and we're going to see our video. Okay, so it has created something for us. Let's see what this does when I click add to design. You've got to add it to your design to see the full effect, okay? Add to design. Let's see what it's going to do to our graphic. Here we go. Now, I'm going to drag it out a bit. Let's pause it, take it back to the beginning. I'm going to drag it out so we can see it nice and clearly. Okay, are we ready? I'm going to press play. Let's see how this works. See, we have a hand drawing the whole design in 5 seconds, and now it is going back, coloring our graphic in another 5 seconds. And you can play with this if you want the color part to be a bit longer. You can have it up to 10 seconds. Same with the sketching part as well. But how fun is that? How great would this look if you did this for your logo or your business name, for example? This would be a great little promotional video for you to use on your socials, your website, or your marketing materials in general. Also, as this is a video, you do have the video options. You can trim it if it's too long, if you fancy, no, actually, no, I want to take a little bit off the end. Auto trim it is a pro feature, but you can auto trim. There's a lot of pro features here, but you have the options to do things. You can edit it as well. It gives you some options here to edit your video, but I'm not going to go into them today. I just wanted to show you how to use the Speed Painter app because I think this is a really fun one. Let's go over and have a look at Speed Paint. Now, we're going to have a little look at Speed Paint as well. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the desktop and I'm going to go back to app section and I'm going to type in Speed Paint because the one we looked at was Speed Painter, but there's also Speed Paint. Okay, this I think is basically the same, but it's just dependent on which one you want to use. Okay, so again, I'm going to click use in new design. We're going to go for Instagram post, so it's the same thing that we did with Speed Painter. And let's see how this works. Right, I will accept the permissions and here we go. So upload your image, exactly the same. I'm going to go for, let's go for the same image and see how this works with it. So now it's given me a preview of my image. The smoothness, 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, or 120 frames per second. So that's dependent on how smooth the video will be. 30 will not be as smooth as 120. So let's try 120. That you don't have on Speed Painter. Sketch duration, you have a longer time here as well. Speed Painter was up to 10. I think there was a 3, there was a 1 as well. So you can have a really short video with Speed Painter. Depending on how long you want this video to last will depend on which app you use. I'm going to go for 5 seconds like we did last time. And I can choose color fill again. So we'll go for 5 seconds. One thing this one does have over the other one is hand styles. The other one doesn't. You just have one particular hand and that is it. This one gives you different options. So there's more of that one looks more like a cartoon style hand option. Right, so we've chosen our image. We've gone for a smooth video, 5 second color, 5 second sketch. I'm going to go for a more cartoony hand. Now it wants me to sign up or log in. This is where we hit a snag. So Speed Paint is a really good app. It has more features than Speed Painter, but Speed Painter is a free app that you can use straight away in Canva. Speed Paint is a paid monthly subscription. It's entirely up to you which one you go for. If you prefer to have the extra options, you want higher quality videos and you think you're going to use this feature quite a lot, go for the premium paid version, but otherwise stick to Speed Painter, which is the free one you can use within Canva. Now that's exactly what I'm going to do. Speed Paint looks amazing, but I do have the Speed Painter option in Canva and I'm going to stick with that one. So there's the difference between the two types of Speed Paint apps in Canva. It's just one is a paid version, one is a free version in Canva. I hope you've enjoyed this. It's been an interesting one, discovering the two different types of apps, one paid, one free. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, please do make sure that you come and subscribe to the channel. If you are subscribed, then you get access to all of the videos. And with this summer, we are doing the Canva app series. We've got 10 different videos coming out over the summer, all on different Canva apps. So please make sure you do subscribe. and yeah, have fun in Canva.